everyone, it's Leanne from the library, and today we're going to be crafting with Coco. So the library's covered a lot of DIY so far. We've made some cool crafts, we've made bath bombs, we've made awesome things for kids. I wanted to show you how to make a DIY toilet paper roll cat toy. Here is what you need to make the craft. First, and most importantly, we need cat treats. My cats absolutely love Temptations, but use whatever treat that your cat likes. Very good. You also need a toilet paper roll, some felt, foam, construction paper, or printer paper. I used some felt that I had lying around that was left over from my cat castle craft, but you can use whatever you have on hand. And you also need a hot glue gun to glue your foam to the toilet paper roll. So first things first, with our toilet paper roll, we want to fold both ends so when we put the treats in the toilet paper roll, it's not going to escape. So what we want to do is we kind of want to squish it in half. Without folding it, we just kind of want to smush it so it's more of an oval shape. And then after we have that, we want to take our finger and press it in on one side, and then using our fingers fold it in on the other. So it'll kind of be crescent moon shaped, and it'll be kind of overlapping on both ends. Don't worry if it's not totally together, because we want our cats to be able to shake the treats out of it when they play. So now, before we fold the other end, we're gonna put some treats in. I usually use about 5 to 10 treats. So use a small handful. This is the part where things might get a little bit exciting if your cats love treats as much as my cats do. So we're gonna take a small handful of treats and put them in our toilet paper roll. Not quite yet, buddy. As you can see, the cats want to play with it already. And then we're gonna fold this end of the toilet paper roll in the same way. So we're gonna take our two fingers, kind of smush the one side in, and then we're gonna take our fingers and smush the other side in. As your cats play with the toy, they're gonna be biting it, they're gonna be pawing around with it, and eventually they're gonna kind of work these two flaps loose and the treats are gonna come out. That's okay. You just refill the toy with treats whenever you feel like your kitties deserve more treats. So this is the part where we're gonna make it pretty. I am just gonna be using my felt today, but feel free to decorate yours. Like if you're using paper, you can draw on it, put some stuff on it. Just whatever you do, remember that your kitties are playing with it. Don't put any beads or bedazzles on it, because if they swallow it, they could get really, really sick. And if you want to color it, make sure that you use non-toxic markers. That's why I am not really putting any kind of decorations on my cat's toys, because they don't really care about the decorations. So with my glue gun here, I'm just gonna make sure it's charged. I'm just gonna make a bead on my toilet paper roll. Hi, Donatello. All right. So then we're gonna kind of glue down the one end of our felt on the roll. And then we're gonna wrap the other end around. I cut it just long enough so that both ends barely touch. On the loose end of the felt, I'm just gonna put a little bit more glue and kind of roll it up. After that part's done, we just want to use a few little dabs of hot glue on the ends to just kind of tuck our felt or paper into the toilet paper roll. So I'm just using a dab here and a dab here. And same with this side. Everyone's joining the party. Okay, so there you have it. You can make a cat toy in like 2 minutes with just a little bit of hot glue, a toilet paper roll, and some treats you probably already have in your pantry if you have cats. So you want to give your toy a few minutes to cool down before you let your cat play with it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that quick little cat toy craft that you can do at home with just a few things that you probably have laying around already. Check out some of the library's other awesome virtual programs. We're always posting new, exciting, and awesome things on our Facebook, on our Instagram, and on our YouTube page. I hope you guys have a great day and stay safe. Bye!